I don't want to ever say that having your hip replaced is easy, but it was as easy as it could possibly be. About February of 2024, Lori and I were out walking, and I was just suffering getting around it. And it finally got so painful that I said to Lori, I can't walk. I just have to ride a bike while you walk. When I went to see Dr. Miller, he said, well, compared to what you did almost 10 years ago, we now have a robotic procedure where we use new technology, and the result is that we cut much less tissue, and I think you're going to find that the healing period is easier and quicker than it was with your anterior procedure a number of years ago. And he was absolutely correct. I had my left hip replaced in 2016. It took about 30 days for me to feel like I was kind of back to normal. With the anterior robotic procedure, it was 2 weeks. I'm doing everything that I did before the procedure with no pain. If you've been thinking about doing it, you need to do it. Dr. Miller was a wonderful orthopedic surgeon to work with. Being able to do the procedure in this area is so much easier than having to go to Rochester or Des Moines or Iowa City.